Martin Roebling again. I'm excited to talk to you a little bit about exploring, right? In this lesson I'm going to teach you how to get lost and get rich. Get lost and get rich. So we need explorers. We need you to explore yourself, explore your industry and find out where the riches are. You need to lose yourself into your industry, into your company, and find out where the golden nuggets lie, and then exploit them. All right? That means getting lost, losing yourself into it, opening your mind and seeing things with different eyes. And I have an example. One time a guy came to me and he had already finished work. He felt dejected, he couldn't get in his career what he wanted. So I asked him to map out exactly what were his key strengths and then align that to his business and what was happening in the business. He applied that and then went on as a consultant and made a lot more money and got a lot more time off simply by exploring what he had and what the industry had to share. So go ahead and get lost into your business and go and find the opportunity that lays hidden. All right, what was it Marcus Proust said? You know, the great adventure is all about not about seeing new things, but about seeing things with new eyes. All right? So go and see things with new eyes. Explore. Get lost in your business and get rich. I'll see you at the top. Okay.